Bradley. Welcome to Business Partner Estimating Software Essential Training. In the following tutorials, I will attempt to teach you how to quote custom kitchen, bath, and entertainment cabinetry like a pro using Business Partner Estimating software. Drawing on my 30-plus years of experience selling, designing, engineering, and manufacturing custom cabinetry, I will share with you insights on not only how to set up the business partner, but on best practices in estimating in general. The topics will include using the dashboard, user setup, client setup, cabinet setup, which will include doors, drawers, accessories, hardware, trim, moldings, finishes, and labor rates. Then we'll cover default setups, which will include terms, markups, materials, hardware, and cabinet specifications. Then we'll start on creating jobs, and then we'll add rooms to those jobs. And last but not least, running reports, which will be your estimates, your proposals, and your internal reports. We'll also touch on a few things we think you should use in tandem with Business Partner. Fine Print, True 32 Budgeter, Asana, and/or Trello. Sound good? Well, saddle up your horses and let's get this show on the road.